in Hawaii, that is this himeni style, it became customary for the groups to be all male or all female. We're not sure whether this was the influence of the missionaries or just the way Hawaiians like to do things, but it resulted in a unique singing style being developed. That is, in order for example, an all-male group to sing the soprano and alto parts, they had to sing very high in falsetto, which became known in Hawaiian as leo ki'e ki'e. This style of male falsetto singing used a lot of breaks or sort of cracks in the voice because a lot of times men can't hold that falsetto that long. There is a kind of a natural break in the voice. But this was then incorporated as part of the style. Well, the women also got interested in singing in this rather unique fashion, so that now we have female singers also singing falsetto style. And it's a rather curious situation where you have women copying men singing like women.
Another peculiar feature of Hawaiian vocal styles is yodeling, which was probably introduced into the islands in the 1890s by a music teacher who taught at the Kamehameha schools named Theodore Richards, who learned it as a member of his college chorus. But yodeling took in Hawaii because of the popularity of paniolo songs, that is, cowboy songs. And yodeling may have also been close to the kinds of music or songs that the vaqueros, the Spanish cowboys, may have sung on the Big Island in Waimea or the Parker Ranch when they first came in the 1830s.
No ikamaka, no ho hendo kena, ho hendo wana ikamana o no kupao ka aina, o lui kamaka o kamalihini, o lui kamaka o kamalihini, kane 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 o anama haru, lai lai kane 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 o anama haru, lai. O kupalanding hano hano ikamaka, no ho heno ho kena, o heno ikamana o no kupao ka aina, o ikamaka o kamalihini, o ikamaka o kamalihini, kanine 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 o anama o le kanine 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 o anama oh, and I'm
Ladies and gentlemen, the whole P Brothers!
Tin Pan Alley was a great period in the development of Hawaiian music because through Tin Pan Alley, Hawaiian music exerted a profound influence on at least American perception of Hawaiian music. Tin Pan Alley music was what American composers thought Hawaiian music was all about. And Wiki Wacky Woo, for example, was just the way they thought Hawaiians did it. And Hawaiian music was popularized as a result, so that by 1920, 1925, Hawaiian music records sold more than any other kind of record in the United States record market, believe it or not.
Even later, when the cruise ships brought large numbers of tourists by ship, the old Lurline cruise ships, to Hawaii, there also developed a tradition of singing that used a combination of English and Hawaiian texts, referred to now as hapahaole, which means half white or half foreign singing. Now, these kinds of songs were very accessible to tourists who didn't really understand Hawaiian language. So even though the language had changed to at least half English, it was still accomplishing the same important idea of communication.